Okay, guys, we're finally gonna install the BRAUM seats, and I have a special guest here today. He's over here getting everything set up. This is Don, everybody's favorite WSS officer. Alright, so right now we're gonna get set up the rails and brackets ready to get put onto the chairs because we need to figure out what goes on what. The one thing BRAUM did not do was include instructions, so kind of winging it.
There's no little bracket thingamajiggy here.
Oh yeah, I see. There's not like a little.
Yeah, there's no press-in bracket. So hold up, we're gonna have to improvise. We'll figure it out.
We got a screwdriver, and we're gonna pop this last bracket out.
That one goes there. There you go. And
Find the right hole.
find the right hole and slide out. Nope. Hold on, we're doing it wrong. My bad. That way.
No, I thought we did it the other way. Is it this one?
Yeah. There we go. Yeah, they're
So they're
different.
just hand tightened, right?
Yeah, but these are actually.
Brackets and no brackets, bolts and washers, right?
Yeah, but they're not 12 millimeters. They're actually require the little, what do you call it? X key.
Oh, the Allen keys, right?
Allen key.
We got this.
Yeah. Okay, so it's 4 different bolts, different sizes.
Okay.
So that's gonna be one size.
All right, so we're getting the rails mounted on first. We're trying to kind of play with it a little bit. Hopefully this works.
After you push down this and then slide that one up, and we should be able to get
Into that one.
Yeah, we should be able to run that one out. So, bracket.
We're off.
Yeah, we're off. So that means we gotta go
Back down.
back down to remove.
Just when you think something's gonna be easy,
that.
it isn't easy.
So if we're in the middle,
This one needs to be.
so we're gonna have to go down, and this one's gonna be on the top one.
Okay.
Okay, so back down.
Top hole on the top to get to the bottom hole.
Take 2. Redo.
Hopefully we got the holes lined up. Alright, so that works. So you need to hit the first hole on the top, bottom hole on the bottom. Or first hole on the bottom, right?
Second. Well, first on the rail.
Yeah.
First on the rail.
Depending on which way you look at it.
Depending if you're installing on Challenger, Camaro, Mustang, or Honda Civic.
They all different. BRAUM throwing his curves over here.
I don't wanna break it, but I don't wanna make you fly off your seat too. All right.
What do you need me? What are you trying to do?
Push and come down again so I can tighten the top one.
Yeah. Please.
Is that one more? All right, now we can tighten that one. Rail number 2.
Like, that one looks inward, right?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It kind of looks like
Maybe it's just the angle.
maybe.
I don't know. Maybe it's a carbon fiber pattern throwing itself.
Figure it out. All right, let's same thing. So press up and press down and.
Maybe that's why it looks off.
Maybe that's why it looks off.
So now you need to go to the top hole, right? Or no, we're in the middle hole.
We're in the
right?
middle hole already, and this is the middle hole. Well, they gotta line up because
No,
if
you
they
gotta
don't
go on
line
the
up,
bottom.
if they don't line up, then when you move the track, one's gonna go further than the other.
Yeah. So we're trying to get the rails on, and they don't line up. The holes. That's like the biggest problem we're having right now. So now we're putting on
All right, hold on.
second rail.
let's take a
So
look here.
let's see.
Thousands of tears later.
So we're gonna have to go top one instead of middle, and that should slide down.
Okay.
Should.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
All right.
Here we
Take
go
two.
again. Take 2.
Oh yeah, you have no top.
Even though they're both in the middle.
Yeah, they're different sizes.
They're different sizes in the rail. Okay.
We should check that first.
Apparently, you would think it would be
Identical.
Now one, we should be same, and hopefully
It'll line up on the bottom as
it
well.
lines up. Oh, yeah. Okay, so take
Fingers
two.
crossed.
Jeez, okay. Either that or they drilled the hose. No,
No?
no, it's the rail. In the rails. Okay, we're just gonna have to hold it and get it in. These just snap in. So I should be able to pull,
Push, right?
push, pull up, and slide.
So if we push it up and then pop the rail in, and then put this in.
Yeah. Damn it, we were right though.
Yeah, because we should.
Yeah, 'cause we should be able to
pop it under.
Slide it in and pop them under. Okay. Well, shit.
Learning lesson. We've never done the BRAUM seats before.
Yeah, instructions.
That too.
So push up.
Yes.
Okay, so we need to push them up. Come on, watch your hand. All right.
My strong side.
We're getting there. Slowly but surely.
Stop learning.
Yeah.
If you get some, we know what to do now.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Maybe. Because with my luck, they'll be different for the S550.
Yeah. I think it's all the way up, right?
Looks like it is.
It's only going anymore.
All right, let's try again.
A few moments later.
Still having trouble with these brackets and getting them on. I think we're at like an hour now trying to figure this out. So now we're gonna try and flip the rail thingies the other way. See if they line up that way and see what happens.
They don't line up.
No?
No.
Still? How off is it?
They're off like by half a million thingy.
A milli thingy?
Jeez. Why do you not want to line up? Alright, so we're gonna have to unhook that one.
Okay.
So press and go.
Oh, now you need me?
Yes, now I need to.
I thought you do it yourself.
Ow, ow, ow. Okay. I know. Hole.
Okay, I got a hole up there and hold on. Nope. Maybe.
Hole. And slide. Hole. The bracket looks.
What?
Is it just the seats sliding sideways?
Hmm.
Does it look lopsided? Or is it just the seat?
This side looks a little higher than that side. Or, sorry, vice versa. Yeah, let me hold it. You look. The seat's like that. That side's higher, right?
This side's higher.
This side's higher.
That side's higher.
One eternity later.
Alright, day 3 on these seats. No, I'm kidding. Just kidding. No, but we are like on the 3rd or 4th hour. But we finally think we got it and we're able to mount the rails and the seat brackets. So we are going to try and see how this turns out. Seat 1 done. Really glad I didn't attempt this on my own because I would have been here for a month trying to figure it out.
This is what happens when you tell a Mexican you're gonna get tacos and Big Red.
Everything looks like it lines up
Looks
now,
like it looks fine.
finally.
It looks like it's kind of squared.
It looks really good on the video.
Oh, that's a whole lot better than what it was last time.
Yeah, so what we did was we flipped the rails the other way. We're able to match up the holes with the seats. and the bolts, and then we're able to get the brackets on by putting the bolts on through the other side instead of through the front. And it slides! Yay! Success! We gotta get the seat into the car.
Yeah.
Which pulling out the stock seat was not easy as well, which we didn't film that, but we were out there doing
We need
it.
a bolt for the seatbelt. Disclaimer, he wants to cut it off. I want to put it in. Just saying.
He wants to get that on video first.
She dies. She cut off the wires because I'm installing them.
We don't need airbags. Race car life. So far, we were successful. Made a trip to AutoZone. So now just adding the seatbelt connector, which you do need to go get a washer for and a bolt. And what else did we need to get for it? The tool.
We can reuse the factory bolt, but you need a torque. What is it? The 50.
Where's you're using it?
Yeah,
the bit that goes on there.
yeah, the torque's 50. You torque 50, and it would help if you have a 17 open wrench.
Yeah, which we do not have, so
Which
we're
we do not
using
have, so we're-
2 ratchets.
2 ratchets, but
We're trying to make it work. Improvise. And it's on
Alright.
there.
throw on the harnesses.
Yay, what is too low or too high?
I'm gonna have to unbolt again.
I told him I didn't need any of this. None of it, and he won't listen to me. He
She
wants to
dies.
include it.
She dies.
Pretty much. So we've got one seat somewhat done. Praying that it bolts inside the car and lines up with the factory holes, you know. So far this hasn't gone as planned at all. It's been a long couple of hours, but we finally have the first seat out and we're about to try and get it in.
Drop it in. Install all the connections on the bottom so
The connections I didn't want.
Yeah, so that everything works, and then we should be able to bolt it in, and we kind of know what to do on the next one.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Kind of.
Kind of, sort of, but not really. Here we go.
Sorry in advance because it's kind of dark. Oh, there goes the light. That was helping. But we just got the first seat in.
And wood.
Seriously, looks so good. Just need to black out the rest of the interior. So the second time is the easiest to get. Done got it. So this one went on with no problems at all. Top and bottom both lined up. So that was the thing. We had to make sure you have the rail part the right way. And then bolts need to go in through the back in order to fit onto the mounting. So we got this. Well, he got this because I didn't do too much. I'm not gonna lie.
So this seat can move forward?
So now, oh yeah, the handle's broken. You gotta shove it in there, right? Like into the metal socket. And make sure it pops in right, and then you can move it. I told you, so I was like, I'm so glad I got BRAUM seats because now I don't have to mess with the broken handle. We're getting in the passenger side right now. Well, Don is working on it. Eventually, he'll have it in. Just pop it in.
Sorry.
Pop the thingy in the hole. So I hope that helps you a little bit if you're installing the BRAUM seats with the universal bracket. If you need any help, don't feel free to message me. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope it helps you out. Now I'm gonna take him out for some tacos for all the hard work that he did.